Louis Vuitton's second price increase of 2025 just dropped today. Let's talk about it. Thank you as always to Purse for the article. I will take you through all the bags and all the prices that she has found so far, okay? As we know, most luxury brands do one price increase a year. Some of them have been doing two this year. Chanel always does two, but some of them have been doing two this year in response to the tariffs. I think this might be tariff related, although the price increase is not that much more. Like, it's not a very big price increase. I want to say props to Louis Vuitton, because say what you will about them, they do take really good care of their customers. They have really good customer service, and it looks like their price increase is not that high. So they're going to eat some of the cost and not passing it all on to the consumers, whereas some other brands are passing it all on the consumers, right? So thank you, Louis. Thank you, Bernard. Unfortunately, these price increases have already gone into effect. They're already in store. You can't go run and get the lower price right now. It was kind of snuck in. They didn't announce anything about it. It just kind of happened, and they're already in store. Okay, so let's go through the US prices. So we have the Nano Speedy was $1,880. Now it's $1,920. So it's a $40 price increase or a 2.1% price increase. Speedy 35, $1,700 to $1,735, $35, 2.1% price increase. I don't know how much these are going to cover the tariffs that Louis Vuitton is eating the cost, or at least not leaving the cost to be on the consumers, which is good, unlike some other brands. Speedy Bandolier 25, $1,900 to $1,940, $40 price increase or 2.1% price increase. Speedy 30, $1,980 to $1,980, no price increase. Mwah. Speedy 35, $2,050 to $2,090, $40 price increase, 2%. Speedy Bandolier 40, $2,120 to $2,160, $40, 1.9% price increase. It is worth noting that though the price increase is not that high, we also have to put the tax on top too, right? So there's another $3 to $4 on top of tax, just so you know. Okay, we got a ton more, so I'm going to go really fast. Alma BB, $1,900 to $1,940, $40 price increase, 2.1. Alma PM, $2,050 to $2,090, $40, 2%. Atlantis GM, $3,300 to $3,350, $50, 1.5%. Carryall PM, $2,790 to $2,859, $69 price increase, 2.5. Carryall MM, $2,900 to $2,960, $60 price increase, 2.1. Keepall 45, $2,520 to $2,570, $50 price increase, 2%. Keepall 50, $2,580 to $2,630, $50, 2%. Everything's basically 2%. Keepall Bandolier 55, $2,650 to $2,700, $50, 1.9. Loop $2,490 to $2,540, $50, 2%. Loop Hobo $3,000 to $3,050, $50, 1.7%. Multi-pochette accessoire $2,780 to $2,840, $60, 2.2. Neverfull $2,060 to $2,100, $40, 1.9. Neverfull MM $2,130 to $2,170, $40, 1.9. Neverfull GM $2,200 to $2,240, $40, 1.8. Nano Neo $1,720 to $1,750, $30, 1.7. Noe BB $1,800 to $1,840, $40. Petite Noe $1,850 to $1,890, $40, 2.2. Noe $1,910 to $1,950, $40, 2.1. On the go MM $3,250 to $3,300, $50, 1.5. On the go GM $3,400 to $3,450, $50, 1.5. Palm Springs Mini $2,640 to $2,690, $50, 1.5. Palm Springs MM $2,920 to $2,980, $60, 2.1. Pochette Métis $2,710 to $2,760, $50, 1.8. And last but not least, the leather bags. Alma BB Epi $2,110 to $2,570, $460 price increase, 21.8%. Seems way off compared to everyone else. Alma PM Epi $2,790 to $2,850, $60, 2.2. Maybe that's a typo, and maybe it's $46. Maybe that's wrong. Okay, anyway. Pico Go 14, $4,600 to $4,700, $100 price increase, 2.1. Noe BB Epi $2,930 to $2,990, $60, 2%. Noe MM Epi $3,300 to $3,350, $50, 1.5% price increase. What do we think? Let me know in the comments below. I just wanted to get you guys this as soon as possible. Go get the bag now because it might go up even more. Okay, bye.